Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and it's time for another layout update. Welcome back everybody. First of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates like this video. So it's starting to get a little bit cooler, and as I've said before, it's model railroading season, and I'm actually starting to get a lot of scenery work done and really make some real progress on working on the railroad and getting a lot of stuff in place so that you guys can really see the progress that's going on. So let's take a look. As you guys have seen in my previous tutorials, I'm heavy into the scenery work on my layout. Now this includes an area that I'm calling West Mountain, and the detailing around this little scene with this house. The scene is the closest one I have to being functionally complete. I have placed a lot of vegetation around the house and the static grass is complete, and I'm very happy with the scene so far. One thing that really helps with the layout feeling a lot bigger than it actually is breaking up the view of the track work with scenery. I've begun to do this with adding patches of forest and wooded areas. I've really worked on making it look like these wooded areas were there before the track and the rail line just cuts through it. The other thing that I have been working on is custom grade crossings on my Kato Unitrack. In December we'll be starting off with a tutorial on how to do this using nothing but joint compound, a sanding block, and some paint. Moving on, the town scene on my railroad is really starting to come together as well. I have placed where the removable block we made is going to go, as well as some placeholder buildings. Now you may also notice those little plastic baggies that are sitting on the road. Those are lighted in-scale automobiles, and I haven't fully decided if I'm going to install those just yet, or leave my layout open so that I can change the eras of locomotives that I run and change the cars as well. Remember that house we designed in Tinkercad? Well, here it is. I've begun doing the detailing around the house, and there's still a lot of work to go into this scene, but it's definitely coming along. And the detailing continues on the East Mountain as well. This is mainly just making the scene feel more wooded and more realistic. So that is all of the latest of what I have gotten done on my railroad over the past month. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. So as you can see, I have actually gotten quite a bit done this month. I've still got a lot of work to go. And in December, you're gonna see a few more different things. The main thing you're gonna see is making that joint compound grade crossing on Kato Unitrack, and that will work on any sort of track, not just Kato Unitrack. A few other things that are coming up in December, I'm gonna have my 2019 Christmas guide. We're gonna have our Christmas special where I run some trains around my layout and really show off what the trains are gonna be able to go around and what industries they're gonna go to. And then we're gonna be talking a lot about what's coming up in 2020. So that's what's coming up this next month, the month of December 2019. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates like these videos that are coming up in December. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!